So, friends, I'm going to try to get to the next page. Well, okay, so this is the final words and wrap up for this little section here. I have listed these little nuggets of advice about careers and jobs and success, and maybe a little bit about life and values as well. It's my last chance to have any kind of influence on you guys or help you as much as I can help you. And so thanks for the listening and all the good work you guys have done. And again, it is a privilege for me and a pleasure to have some chance to work with you at this point in your lives and your careers. And good luck and all the best going forward.